RedMagic 10 Pro Plus and RedMagic 10 Pro were launched in China as the latest gaming-focused smartphones from ZTE sub-brand Nubia. The RedMagic 10 Pro price starts at 4,999 Chinese yuan for the 12GB plus 256GB model. The RedMagic 10 Pro series will be available such as Dark Knight, Day Warrior, Deuterium Transparent Dark Knight, and Deuterium Transparent Silver Wing. The RedMagic 10 Pro series has a completely flush camera module on the glass back. The RedMagic 10 Pro series maintains its triple camera setup, positioning the RGB LED ring below the two large cameras. The right edge of the RedMagic 10 Pro series features gaming trigger buttons, a fan vent, a volume rocker, a power button, and a mode slider switch. The left side of the phone features another fan vent. The transparent variants have some transparent elements on the back, including the Snapdragon 8 Elite logo. The RedMagic 10 Pro series is equipped with 6.8-inch 1.5K BOE Q9 Plus AMOLED display with up to 144Hz refresh rate, a 960Hz touch sampling rate, and 2000 nit peak brightness, and an under-display selfie camera. The lineup will run on a Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset with up to 24GB of RAM and up to 1TB of storage. A massive 7050 mAh battery pack which may support 120W wired fast charging, a 50MP main camera, and 16MP front camera. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.